Hello and welcome to Ednell's Crafting. I'm Lily, and today I want to erase some old mistakes and also take the opportunity to remind you about something very important. I have this canvas, and once upon a time I started to sketch R2-D2 on it. And then I kind of gave up. So instead, a few years later, I decided to try making a baby dragon that just hatched from its egg and was looking up at its mother. And, well, let's just say that my own negative thoughts came in the way. And this poor canvas has been standing at the corner of my studio for so long, just waiting for something to happen. And the time has come to realize facts and embrace the knowledge that there will be no R2-D2 or any dragon for that matter on this canvas. Instead of having these failed attempts haunting me, I want to turn this canvas into something more positive and colorful. So let's see what we can create. I have absolutely no plan, and that's fine. Because it doesn't have to be perfect. And that is my reminder for you guys today. Not everything you create has to be perfect. Honestly, the only important thing is that you're as happy as possible and you feel good while creating. Personally, I haven't really been myself lately. Stress has taken the upper hand, and normally I would use crafting as therapy because when I create, that's the only time I completely relax. Unfortunately, I haven't had the energy needed to try to create, so everything stress-related has taken over 24/7 lately. And eventually, my body gave up. So for right now, I'm actually not at work at all. It's only a temporary situation, of course, but I'm lucky enough to have the studio. I will try to make the best of this time while trying to also rest my mind and spirit. I'll let the time lapse run for a little moment here, and I hope you enjoy the process. It has dried. It looks nothing like it did when I poured it. But remember how I said this was an old canvas? Well, the chances are that I've pushed on it or something because, oh my god, it was droopy in the middle. Okay, not this much, but quite a lot. So it wasn't straight, so the paint couldn't stay where I left it when it was wet. I will show you the dried result. Like I said, it doesn't look anything like it did when it was wet, but I love it. This is admittedly probably the weirdest looking thing I've ever considered putting on a wall. But I love it. For me, it represents so much. Like, it's an egg. It's an egg of a freaking phoenix or something that's gonna just rise up from all the pain and everything bad that's ever happened. It spreads wings and just fly. But right now it's just an egg. It's waiting to be hatched. With this, I want to just take a quick moment and first of all, freaking thank you so much for sticking with me and watching these videos and pressing that thumbs up, because every little bit helps, and you have no idea how much it means to me. Every time I see that someone has liked a video, I'm like, oh yay, that's a win all in itself. I gotta find a place for this thing.